Hello, my name is Tuomas Paloviita and I work here at Commentos as a product manager of these Fintrade products. And now I will show you how to dismantle all the removable parts of the Spiran volume-based dosing unit, and how to take everything off and how to put everything back together and start running again. First you need to do is to make sure that you have stopped the automatic drive of the unit and turn the power off and make sure that all the power and compressed air is turned off before starting to remove the parts of the machine. Okay, we have done that already, and now we will start by taking the dosing heads off. There's two dosing heads. First, you remove the screw from the cylinder. This cylinder operates the dosing head. It turns the dosing head from filling position to emptying position. And place carefully all the parts to the washing rack or washing table as you wish. Now, we have removed the cylinder, so now you just lift these brackets off and carefully take the dosing head off. Now we have removed the dosing heads, and the next is the plastic counterpiece of the dosing head. Just gently pull them apart. Like that. Then we can take the two screws, dosing screws away from the machine. There's this space for the locking of the screw at the end of the piece. So basically you just turn the screw and pull that away. Same with another one. And finally the plastic pipe comes off as well. And another one. There you go. Everything has been taken off, and you can, if you wish, take also the bottom plastics off, or you can wash them when they are still installed at the machine. Let's take those off. Here we have a small bracket. Just turn that away, pull the end of the plastic down and lift that away. Same with another one. Now everything is ready for washing, and the washing is done according to the factory's procedures. But basically it goes so that you rinse the machine with water, then use detergent, foam cleaning to cover the machine, and let that affect, and after that you rinse the machine with clean water again. And machine is IP69, so everything is washable. Everything goes back into the machine as reversed order, so we will start from the plastic strips that goes under the machine. So put that in its place, lift the end back up and put the locking piece on its way. Next we have these plastic pieces, plastic pipes. There's a guiding piece at the counterpart, so you can put this only in one direction to the machine. And always remember to check if the part is for the left side or for the right side. There's always marking in every part that it's either left or for the right side. If you don't find the correct position, just turn the piece clockwise or counterclockwise and you will find the correct position, and then push that all the way in. Next, screws. This is the right one. Check this. Turn the screw so that you see the correct, find the correct position and push that. There you go. Next, counter pieces of the dosing heads. 4 holes, counter pieces here. And finally, dosing heads. Carefully place this to its place and then turn the pieces holding the dosing head to its place. And lock the cylinder to the dosing using this screw. And the screw holding the second cylinder on the dosing head. Back together, and now always after assembling the machine back to the operating position, always when turning the power and compressed air on, check that everything is moving nicely before starting the automatic drive and the dosing operation. Thank you for watching.